So nested lists you will use a lot. And this is going to cause you a little bit of grief and confusion in many of your cases. But it's important because this is the kind of data structure that you're going to be creating in many of the assignments in the rest of the class. So understanding how it works is important. Now, this list has multiple lists nested inside it. You would say there are 3 levels here, where this is the innermost level, this is level 2, and that is the main list. Now, to make matters even more interesting, how many items do you see in the main list that's assigned to L here? The correct answer is, let's look at the index. Index 0, index 1, index 2, 3, and 4. So the main list, L, contains 5 items. And if I did a count, if I did L.count, it would return the number 5. Because of this, in between this comma and this comma is 1 item in the main list. That 1 item is its own list that has its own index. 0, 1, 2. That list has 3 items. And then this final list has its own index of 0 and 1. Now that seems confusing, but it's powerful, because what it allows me to do is I can address any item at any level of specificity anywhere in this list with a few short numbers. For example, we've got L2, and it returns this entire list. So I can pull that whole list out and put that into a variable or print it out. I can also, if I want to, drill down to what I'm saying here is L level 2, or item 2, which is this list, and then inside that, item 2 of that list, which is this list. So it prints this. So if I want to drill down to just this, I could say 220, and it allows me to drill straight down into that, which is really powerful. It allows me to store massive amounts of data, and if I structure it well, it allows me to get that data, change that data, use that data, do all kinds of really interesting things with that data very efficiently.